Okay, children, in this session number 56, we are going to start the chapter number 7, linear equations in one variable. We are going to understand in this session what is a linear equation in one variable and how to solve the linear equation which is in one variable, and also we are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 1, as many problems as we can. So let us start from the meaning of linear equations in one variable. Children, while reading this statement, you get the word equation. First, you should know what is an equation, children. Equation is a statement of equality involving one or more variables. For example, I have taken 3 equations here. You can observe 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here you have equality sign, and also we have got the variable, only one variable we have here. And one more equation I have, 12x plus 4x square is equal to 3. Here also we find is equal to equality sign left hand side, or to the left of equality sign, whatever terms we have, it will be in left hand side. We consider it as left hand side, and the terms which are right to the equality sign are considered as right hand side. We know already while solving algebraic expressions, we have learnt which is left hand side and which is right hand side. Then one more equation we have, 4y square minus 9 is equal to 0. Here also you can find one variable, but the power is 2 here. Here in this equation you can observe there is one variable, but what is the power if nothing is written? It is 1. Here you can find the variable x which is having power 1. Another variable again it is x, but its power is 2. Here you have in this equation y variable and its power is 2. These equations are in one variable as they involve equality sign. These are called as equations, children. So equation means it is a statement of having the equality sign, having one or more variables. Now we know what is equation now. In this equation, some of the equations are said to be linear equation. Linear means 1, children. The meaning of linear is 1. What is 1 here? A linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest degree of the variable is 1. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here you can find only one variable. This is an equation having one variable, that is x. And what is the power of this variable, children? It is 1. Such type of an equation is said to be linear equation. We have got the variable which are having more than 1 as power, children. If it is the equation having the power as 2, it is called as quadratic equation. If the power of the variable is 3, then it is called as cubic equation. These all type of equations you will learn in higher classes. But in this class 7, we are only going to study about linear equations in one variable. So here in the equation we have got only one variable and its power always will be 1. Such type of an equation is said to be a linear equation in one variable. Now, if you are given a linear equation and you are asked to solve, let me take the same example, 2x plus 3. Here you are given a linear equation. You know why it is a linear equation? This equation has got the equality sign and it has got one variable and its power is 1. Now, if you are asked to solve this linear equation, solving means what, children? Finding the value of the unknown term. Here, unknown term means variable. Which is unknown term in 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, x. We have to find the value of x. Finding the value of x is nothing but the solving the linear equation. Now, To solve this equation, we are going to use some steps, children, and that is called as transposition. So this equation can be solved in two ways. One is, I'll explain you one method. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here, first we don't want this number. That is, with variable term, we have also got the number, that is constant. First, we shall remove the constant, children. To remove plus 3, we have learnt in earlier classes. If I want to remove 2x plus 3 or plus 3, what I do? I add minus 3. Because I want to remove this. I want to make it 0. Plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled and you're left with 0. I want to remove this. So I have added minus 3 in the left hand side. As you know, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Equality left is called as left hand side. Equality sign right is called as right hand side. To remove plus 3, I am going to add a minus 3. To remove plus 3 means, children, to make it 0, this place as 0, I add minus 3. So, in the right hand side, in the left hand side we have added minus 3 means, in the right hand side also we have to add minus 3. So, here plus 3, minus 3 get cancelled. You are left with 2x is equal to 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Now, you have the variable term 2x. I want to remove this 2, children. 2x means what? 2 into x. So, into 2 if I want to remove, I have to multiply by 2. 1 by 2. So, here 2 and 2 get cancelled. You are left with only x. So, to remove this into 2. 2x means into 2. Into 2, what I do? I multiply with 1 by 2. So, in the right hand side also, minus 3 we write as it is. Because we have multiplied this extra number into 1 by 2, we will also multiply in the right hand side 1 by 2. So, whatever we do, whatever operation we do in the left hand side, the same operation has to be done in the right hand side. Now, we have multiplied 1 by 2 in the left hand side because I want to remove this into 2. So, 2 ones are get cancelled. You are left with x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So, here we have found the value of x. If you substitute minus 3 by 2 in place of the number here x, we get the LHS is equal to RHS. That is called as verification. In this way, we solve or we find the value of the unknown term here. This is called as a solution of a linear equation in one variable. Now, after solving, we get the value of the unknown term, children. Now, whether the term what we have got is correct or not, we are going to verify or we are going to check. We can also write checking or verification. Now, when checking the answer, what we do is we take the given equation once again. The given question once again, and the value what we have got, we are going to substitute in place of x. The x value is minus 3 by 2 we have got. So, in place of x, we are going to substitute minus 3 by 2. See what I had done here? 2 are written as it is. Into x value is minus 3 by 2. I have substituted, in place of x, I have substituted minus 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here 2 into minus 3 by 2 is there, children. 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones are. What you are left with? Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. We know plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way, if you are given a linear equation and we are asked to solve as well as we are asked to check or verify. When you are checking or verifying, you have to get the LHS is equal to RHS. Then only we can say that the value what we have got is Correct. So with this introduction, let us solve or look at some examples in the textbook, children. Here you have solve y by 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 15. And we have to also check the answer. Here you can observe in the left hand side, children, y by 5 plus 1 is called as left hand side. 1 by 15 is called as right hand side. Because we have equality sign here, left of equality sign is called as left hand side. Right of equality sign is called as right hand side term. Now, observe left hand side, because in the left hand side we have got the unknown term. So we have to remove whatever is attached to the unknown term, children. So first how we should remove is, we have to remove this plus 1. To remove plus 1 or to make the value plus 1 as 0, what we have to do? We have to add minus 1 here. So I have added minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. So we get a 0. So I have added minus 1. When I have added minus 1 in the left hand side, I have to take the right hand side as it is, as well as I have to subtract again minus 1. In the left hand side, plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. You are left with the y by 5 is equal to, here you know, 1 by 15 minus 1. 15 is the LCM. You get the 15 ones are 15, and then 1 15s are 15. You know how to subtract the two rational numbers. Now 1 ones are 1 minus 15 ones are 15. 1 minus 15 is minus 14. So here they have written directly minus 14 by 15. Here again you get the answer as y by 5 is equal to minus 14 divided by 15. Now you can see along with y, here what is attached, children? Divided by 5 is there. So to remove divided by 5, what we have to do is, we have to multiply by 5 in the left hand side. When you have multiplied into 5 in the left hand side, we have to multiply into 5 in the right hand side. We take the same terms but multiply by 5 here and 5 here. 5 ones are get cancelled. You are left with only y is equal to minus 14. Here you can cancel again. 5 ones are 5 3s are minus 14 by 3. So the value of y is minus 14 by 3. We have to check the answer whether we have got correct or not. We have to consider the same equation, y by 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 15. They have considered only LHS. What is LHS? Y by 5 plus 1. So in place of y, we have to substitute minus 14 by 3. So minus 14 by 3 into 5, which is minus 14 by 15 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 15. So if you subtract this, already we know we get minus 14 by 15. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we find or solve the given equation as well as check the answer. Now, we shall move to children. Is this clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, miss.
if it is clear, let us solve the problem from worksheet number 1.
Okay, ma'am.
So in worksheet 1, we have first a simple question, that is 5x minus 2 is equal to 18. So to remove minus 2, what we have to do in the left hand side? I have to add plus 2. Here 5x minus 2 is there. Minus 2 I don't want. I have to remove minus 2. So I have added plus 2 because the value becomes 0. When you have added plus 2 in the left hand side, you have to add same plus 2 in the right hand side. Now minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. You are left with 5x is equal to 18 plus 2 is 20. Again, you can observe with the value of x, the variable term into 5 is attached. So we have to remove this. into 5 if I want to remove, I have to multiply by 1 by 5 because 5 ones are get cancelled. So I have to multiply into 1 by 5 in the left hand side. When you have multiplied into 1 by 5, you have to multiply by the same number 1 by 5 in the right hand side. Here also you get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Therefore x into 1, which is x is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4. Now 2, we have to check the answer as well. So checking. While checking, what I do, I consider the given equation 5x minus 2 is equal to 18. In place of x, I substitute 4. 5 into 4 minus 2 is equal to 18. First multiply, then subtract. 5 fours are 20 minus 2 is equal to 18, which is equal to 20 minus 2 is 18 is equal to 18. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have checked. In the same way, children, we have second question. 1 by 4y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Now we have got the rational numbers. Don't get panic with the rational numbers. We can do it easily. So observe the given equation and decide which is left hand side and which is right hand side. Here equality left is left hand side. The right of equality sign is right hand side. Now in the left hand side, I have to remove plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into y plus 1 by 2 I write as it is. To remove this plus 1 by 2, I have to subtract minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Because we have subtracted here minus 1 by 2, the same thing we are going to do in the right hand side. 5, I will write it in the form of rational number 5 by 1. Now, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled. You are left with 1 by 4y is equal to 1 and 2. Make it common denominator. LCM is 2. 1 how many times, children? 1 2s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 5 2s are 10 minus 1 1s are 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. I am going to write 9 by 2. Now in the left hand side again 1 by 4 is attached to into 1 by 4 is attached to y. To remove 1 by 4, what you have to do? We have to multiply the reciprocal, that is into 4. I have to multiply by into 4 here. So you have to remember if plus sign is there, to remove that we have to add minus. If minus is there, we have to add plus. If 1 by 4 divided by sign is there, you have to multiply or write the reciprocal of it. 1 by 4 means 4 by 1 is equal to 9 by 2 into. Because you have multiplied 4 by 1 extra in the left hand side, the same I have to multiply. Now 4 ones are get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are get cancelled. You are left with the y is equal to 18. 9 twos are 18. After we get the answer, it is time to check. First write the given equation 1 by 4 plus y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Substitute, going on substitute in place of y, the value what you have got plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 with the 2 table. 2 twos are 2, 9s are 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. What is the LCM, children? 2. Common denominator, just add the numerator. 10 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, which is equal to 5. 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 is equal to 5. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have checked the answer. Next, third question. Children, we have different in this linear equation in one variable. We have different type of questions. You have to solve one by one. So here 3 by 5 x I keep it as it is. First I remove minus. Always remember, first you have to remove the terms which are separated. You know what? Which are separated terms, children? Here in 5x minus 2 we have two terms. How do we know there are two terms? Because plus and minus separate the terms. So always we have to separate or remove the terms which are separated. Then we have to remove the multiplication or division sign. First with the, we have to remove plus or minus. Then we have to remove into or division sign. So here minus 6 is there. To remove minus 6, I add plus 6. Again, I had plus 6 in the right hand side. Minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. 3 by 5x is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9. Now into 3 by 5 is there. 3 by 5 into x into, I multiply the reciprocal now. That is 5 by 3. So because I have multiplied 5 by 3 in the left hand side, I multiply the same in the right hand side. We are cancelling 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Therefore, x is equal to 15. Now, consider for checking what we do. We consider the given equation 3 by 5 x minus 6 is equal to 3. 3 by 5 in place of x 15 minus 6 is equal to 3. 15 means 15 by 1. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is 3 is equal to 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Same way we have fourth question, children. That is 3x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 minus x. Here you have two terms, like they are not two times terms, children. X term is written both in LHS and in RHS. So what I do, I just replace x term. So what I do, this minus x, observe carefully, children. This minus x, I am taking it to the left hand side. Taking it to the left hand side means transposition. I was talking about transposition, children. Here if you have any equality sign in an equation, if I have the term like x plus 3 is equal to 2. Now, to find the value of x, if I transfer, this is called as transposition. Plus 3, if I transpose or transfer to the other side, it becomes 2 minus 3. So, plus 3 will become minus 3. In the same way, if I have minus 3 term in the left hand side, if I send it to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. If into 3 is there, if I send it to the right hand side, it becomes divided by 3. Again, if divided by 3 is there, if I send it to the right hand side, it becomes into 3. This is called as transposition, children. You should remember. Here, I am going to transpose or transfer minus x to the left hand side. Here you have equality sign. So, minus x to the left hand side means 3x plus x. Minus x will become plus x is equal to 2 plus 1 by 5 is there. Plus 1 by 5. If I send it to the right hand side, it will become minus 1 by 5. 2 means what? 2 by 1. In the left hand side, 3x plus x is 4x is equal to, make the common denominators in subtracting the rational numbers. 1 and 5 LCM is 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. What is 2 5s are, children? 10 minus 1 1s are 1 divided by 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now, what is attached to x term? Into 4. So, 4 into, I want to remove into 4 means I have to multiply by 1 by 4. When I have multiplied in the left hand side 1 by 4, I have to multiply same in the right hand side. 4 1s are get cancelled. X is equal to 9 divided by 5 4s are 20. So this is the value of x we have got. Now to check the answer, what we have to do? We have to check it by considering the given equation 3x plus 1 by 5 minus 2 minus x. So is equal to 2 minus x. So in place of x we are substituting 9 by 20. In left hand side, x place what we do? We substitute 9 by 20 and then plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 1 minus x means what, children? 9 by 20. Now, you have to observe whether any cancellation is possible. If it is not possible, we have to write just multiply. 9 threes are 27 divided by 20 plus 1 by 5 is equal to, here in the right hand side, 1 and 20 LCM is 20. 1 how many times? 1 20s are 20. 21s are 20. 22s are 40 minus 9 ones are 9. Now come to the left hand side, children. Here you have 20 and 5. What is the LCM for 20 and 5? 20 again. 20 ones are 20. 5 fours are 20. 27 ones are 27. 1 fours are 4. 27 plus 4 will be 31, which is equal to 40 minus 9 is 31 by 20. Here also we get LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have checked the answer. Next we have fifth main, that is fifth part. 8x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 5. Children, here you can observe again in the previous question we had the like terms in left hand side as well as right hand side. So it is same of that question. Here 6x I will send it to the left hand side, plus 6x will become minus 6x. Next what I do, plus 5 I will send it to the right hand side, plus 5 will become minus 5. So both the steps I am going to do in the same step. What I do, first I take 8x. I write 8x. This minus 6x is to the right. When I take it to the left, it becomes minus 6x is equal to, here plus 5 is there. If I take it to the right hand side, it will become minus 5 and minus 5 as it is. Now, 8x minus 6x is 2x is equal to minus 5 is minus 10. Both are having same sign. So, add and keep the same sign. Now, into 2 is there. 2 into x. To remove into 2, what I have to do? Into 1 by 2 minus 10 into 1 by 2. The same term should be multiplied in the right hand side. 2 ones are get cancelled. X is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Now, consider for checking. The answer 8x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 5. In place of x, what we have to substitute? 8 into minus 5 plus 5 as it is. 6 into minus 5 as it is. Plus into minus is minus. 8 5s are 40 plus 5. Plus into minus minus. 6 5s are 30 minus 5. Minus 40 plus 5 is minus 35. Minus 30 minus 5 is minus 35. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Children, we have same type of question again. Sixth one. Oh, you can do it yourself. Try to do it yourself. Now, we have same terms or like terms in the LHS as well as RHS, and the constants also we have in the LHS as well as RHS. It is time to transposing. Transposing means 9z as it is. 11z if we take it to the left hand side, minus 11z. Now, 27 as it is, plus minus 13 I take it to the right hand side, plus 13. You have like terms, z term and constant. Now, 9z minus 11z, which is minus 2z. 9z is, see children, 9z and minus 11z are like terms. Now, 9 and minus 11. You know how to subtract the integers? Because why are subtracting here? One is having minus sign, one is having plus sign. So, minus 11 plus 9 is minus 2. Bigger number sign is minus. So, minus 11 plus 9 is minus 2. So, minus 2z I have to write the like term as it is. In the right hand side, 27 plus 13, which is 40. Now, minus 2 into z means what, children? Minus 2 into z, right? Now I don't want this 2. What I do? I multiply by 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 because I have multiplied in the left hand side. So in the right hand side. 2 ones are get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So what you are left with? Minus z is equal to 20. Now always remember minus sign when you are having in the left hand side with the variable, just write z is equal to minus 20. Minus sign left side, send it to the right hand side. We have learnt it in the previous classes already. Now it is time to check the answer. Consider the given equation. Substitute what is the value of z we have got. Minus 20 plus 27 minus 20 into 9, which is minus 180 minus 13. Here 11 2s are 22. So minus 220 plus 27 minus 180 plus minus 180 minus 13. Both are having same sign. So we have to add. You get minus 193. This subtraction you know because that is minus 220 plus 27. One is having minus sign, one is having plus sign. So what you do? Subtraction you know. 0 minus 9, 7 not possible. Take the borrow. Here also you get less. So I take it from here. So it becomes 12. 12 will become 11 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 as it is. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 193. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have verified. So hope you have understood. 7th question is, now you get a different type of questions, children. 7 by y plus 1 is equal to 29. Now this is little different from the previous question. What we do here, here have rational number like this. 7 by y plus 1 is equal to 29. So what I do here is, I write this as 7 by y plus 1. I want to remove plus 1 means I have to add minus 1. Again here in the right hand side minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So 7 by y is remained. And 29 minus 1 is 28. Can you observe, children? Here what I have written? Instead of 29 minus 1, I have written 28. What is the value of 28? 28 means 28 by 1. Am I right? Now, observe in the left hand side, 7 by y is there. To always when we are solving, what will be having? Y will be in the numerator, isn't it? So, to make it in the numerator, how I write is, I write y by 7. What I have done here? I have written the reciprocal of 7 by y. 7 by y reciprocal will be y by 7. You know what is reciprocal? Writing the numerator in the denominator. Denominator in the numerator is called as reciprocal. Now when I have done reciprocal in the left hand side, I have to do in the right hand side also. 28 by 1 is 1 by 28. Hope you understood. Now y by 7 is there. To remove by 7, what I have to do? Multiply by 7. 1 by 28 again into 7. So 7 ones are get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 fours are get cancelled. What you are left in the left hand side? Y is equal to 1 by 4. In this way, you find the value of y. Children, you have to practice this problem more and more times so that it will be perfect for you. Now, after we get y value, consider the given equation for checking. What is the value of y? 1 by 4. So what I do? I write like this. See, by y, I have written in place. Sorry, 7 by y means what, children? What is in the numerator? You have 7. 7 I write it as 7 by 1. Okay. Now in the denominator, what you have? Y. What is the value of y you have got? 1 by 4. See what I have done? I have written 7 as 7 by 1 and y as 1 by 4 in the denominator. Plus 1 is equal to 29. This step is very important, children. 7 I have written 7 by 1 whole divided by y I have written 1 by 4. Now 7 by 1 into 1 by 4 I take it to the numerator. It will become 4 by 1 is equal plus 1 is equal to 29. First multiply then add. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 is 29, which is 29 is equal to 29. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you understood. You have to get it more and more practice. Then only you will become perfect. 3 by 5 x plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1. Same type, children. These two are same type. So same type problems you can practice together. 3 by 5 x I keep it as it is. To remove plus 2 by 5 I have to subtract by minus 2 by 5. When I do minus 2 by 5 in the left hand side, minus 2 by 5 in the right hand side also I have to do. Plus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 get cancelled. You are left with 3 by 5x is equal to LCM. Because 1 minus 2 by 5 is 1 by 1 minus 2 by 5. LCM for 5 and 1 is 5. 1 how many times? 1 5s are 5. Write it in the numerator. 5 1s are 5. Write it in the numerator 1 time. So, what you get in the right hand side here? 1 5s are 5 minus 2 1s are 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Now, you have 3 by 5 into x. 3 by 5 into x. I don't want this 3 by 5. So, I have to multiply the reciprocal. What is 3 by 5 reciprocal? 5 by 3 is equal to into 5 by 3 again in the right hand side. Because you have multiplied 5 by 3 in the left hand side, same in the right hand side. 5 5 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled. Here also 3 3 5 5. Therefore, x is equal to, nothing is left. What is there, children? 1 will always be there. X value is 1. Now it is time to check. 3 by 5 x plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1. What is the value of x we have got? 1. Replace with 1. 3 1s are 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1. What is the denominator? Common denominator is 5. Just add the numerator. Again it is 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are. 1 is equal to 1. LHS is equal to RHS. Still we have 4 minutes left, children. So I am going to do 9th part, that is 4y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. Children, you observe, as I told you, in the left hand side we have the variable term. Attached to it you have minus 2. To remove minus 2, I have to add plus 2. When I have added plus 2 in the left hand side, I have to do the same in the right hand side. Plus 2 means what, children? Plus 2, I'll write it as 2 by 1. Plus 2 by 1. Now, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. You are left with 4y is equal to LCM. You know how to take out the LCM when you are adding the rational numbers. 5 is the LCM. 5 1 time. 1 5 times. 1 1s are 1 plus 2 5s are 10. 5 is the common denominator. We are done. 1 plus 10 is 11. Now, 4y means what? 4 into y. To remove into 4, I have to multiply by 1 by 4, reciprocal. 11 by 5 into 1 by 4 again. 4 1s are get cancelled. Y is equal to 11 by 5 4s are 20. This is the value of y you have got. 11 by 20. Time to check. 4y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. What is the value of y you have got? 11 by 20. Minus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. Other terms we write as it is. Now, cancel. 4 1s are 4 5s are. 11 by 5 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. So children, here you can observe what you have got, the denominators 5 and 1. Make it common by taking the LCM. 5 you get, 5 one time, 1 5 times. 11 ones are 11 minus 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10 is what? 1 is equal to 1 by 5. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have checked the answer. 10th part, x by 2 plus x by 4 is equal to 12. Children, you have 10th part here, 11, 12. These three are of same type. 10th, 11th and 12th. Here, how to solve these type of questions means, children, you know what is a common here. See, x I'll write it as x into 1 by 2 plus x into 1 by 4. I'll write one more step. Now, in these two terms, what is common? X is common. So, if I take out x, what is left here? Factorization, you know how to do. Instead of writing x by 2, I write x into 1 by 2. And x by 4, I write it as x into 1 by 4. To factorize, because x is common, I take it out. What is left here? 1 by 2 plus what is left here? 1 by 4 is equal to 12. Now you know how to add the two rational numbers. When there are different denominators, make it common by taking the LCM. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 ones are 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 4 is equal to 12. Now I have to remove this 3 by 4 means I have to multiply by 4 by 3 is equal to 12 into 4 by 3 again. 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 3 get cancelled. Here in the right hand side, 3 ones are, 3 fours are. X value is 4 fours are 16. Checking, x by 2 plus x by 4 is equal to 12. In place of x, what we have to write? 16 by 2. 16 by 4 is equal to 12. Cancel. 2 ones are, 2 eights are. 4 ones are, 4 fours are. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12 is equal to 12. LHS is equal to RHS. So, still two problems are there, children. Same type. 11th and 12th. Take it for homework. So, in this session, we have discussed till 10 problems. Next problems I am going to do in the next session. Hope you understood well. Thank you, children.